As we know, Silicon Valley real estate, especially single family homes, the cost is so high. And this is your opportunity to get into the real estate market at a much lower cost. I'm really excited to bring this one to you. 862 White Moonstone Loop in San Jose in the 95123 zip code, Blossom Valley neighborhood, is about 11 years old in an amazing location and an amazing property. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services. This townhome is almost 1,800 square feet. It has 3 large bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, plus 1 half bathroom on the main floor. To top it off, one of the bedrooms and full bathrooms is on the ground level. Having 3 full bathrooms is just what the family needs. All the builder upgrades, which include tile flooring, both in the living space as well as downstairs, which really allows for low maintenance, luxurious gourmet kitchen, nice cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances that are in excellent shape. We also have brand new carpets in the bedrooms and the landing upstairs. The whole place has been completely painted from top to bottom, taller baseboards, nice custom paint, and all the hardware is in exceptional shape. Completely upgraded bathrooms, stone countertops, and tile floors as well. This place is literally clean as a whistle. It's definitely move-in ready. It's almost like nobody's ever lived in this property. This main floor where I'm at right now connects this beautiful kitchen to a full dining room, to a large living room that walks right out onto the patio. If you have any friends over, family over, any type of entertainment, it's an exceptionally nice flow. So as I mentioned, we have 1 bedroom on the ground floor, and then upstairs we have 2 amazingly sized bedrooms that have the huge closets, the primary having a walk-in closet as well as a gorgeous spa-like bathroom. One of the things that I love about newer homes is that they have soaring ceilings, right? This is a 9-foot ceiling at least with the recessed lighting that allows for a lot of brightness, but also we always got to talk about the capital upgrades. These are the things that don't shine like granite countertops, but they do cost a lot of money and they're specific for your comfort. Natural light coming in through the double pane windows, central heating and air conditioning, in the unit laundry, which is upstairs in its own dedicated laundry room, and a very reasonable HOA. Speaking of HOA, this also comes with a membership to a gym, a pool, and a clubhouse. So the Avenue 1 community here has all those amenities at your fingertips. You also have nearby shopping, including Costco, Target, lots of dining, and a good commute location. We're really close to 85, which takes you directly to the peninsula, where all the tech giants like Apple, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Amazon all have their main headquarters. And it's really what's made Silicon Valley world famous. And it's not just the jobs. What can you do on the weekends? We're about 5 miles from downtown San Jose, which is a great place for shopping and dining. We're also close to Willow Glen, downtown Campbell, and Los Gatos. In addition to that, we have a lot of outdoor recreation right around the corner here. There's plenty of hiking trails, parks, places to go on the weekend to get yourself out in the sun, having some fun with your family. And being on the south side of San Jose, we're also close to Morgan Hill and Gilroy, which have almost become like their own little mini wine countries, in addition to having gorgeous downtowns of their own. So if you're looking for affordability, comfort, and not having to do a lot when you move in, this might be the place for you. As always, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this beautiful property. If you have any questions about real estate or this property in particular, please feel free to reach out to me at the number that's on the screen. I'd be happy to hear from you by phone or text.